Good morning. I don't know if it is morning where you are, but good day. I'm just trying to greet you and thank you for clicking on this video. So, thank you, whatever the time that it is, it doesn't matter. But thank you. Welcome to Sedi's Diary. My name is Sedi. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. I say a very big welcome to you. Welcome to Sedi's Diary, where we talk about living and thriving and everything in between that. Yeah. How we can save more this year is what I'll be sharing today. What I'll be talking about can be categorized into two broad buckets. And those two buckets would be increasing your income, and the second bucket would be reducing your expenses. That's the general formula for anyone that is interested in saving more, investing more at any particular point in time. So we'll start from increasing your income. How can you increase your income? One of the ways would be by upskilling. Upskilling would be adding to your skills, learning something new that would give you an edge and cause you to experience a growth either in your business or in your career. So whatever it is that would take you to the next level of your career or your business, taking out time to learn it, research on it, do it, and apply those principles would most times lead to an increase in income, directly or indirectly. So our first assignment today is, if you take a current stock of where you are right now, what can you do to move on to the next level? What skill can you learn? What principle can you begin to apply? What new thing do you want to add on to yourself that would improve yourself, thereby increasing your productivity, increasing your results, increasing your output, and making you, have a leverage to negotiate for a higher salary or apply for a better role. In case you're in the business side, this is also for you, right? Like, whatever it is that you need to do. Do you want to learn more about mergers and acquisitions? Do you want to learn more about leveraging debts? Do you want to learn more about whatever it is about macro and micro economy and how it can affect your business? Whatever it is. So my point is, as a business person, this applies to you. As a career person, this applies to you. First assignment this year is, about upskilling. What can you learn that would give you a leverage? It might not give you a leverage right now, but in the long run, it'll give you a leverage, give you an advantage. Yes. So someone asked me a question. My husband asked me a question some days back. He asked that where I see myself, like the next level I see myself, what skills do those people have, and which of those skills do I lack right now, such that I can identify that gap and improve myself to be where I see myself. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but if you get what I'm saying, please put it in the comment section down below. That's all I'll say right now about upskilling. But as we are living and we want to thrive, it'll be nice that we set ourselves up for success, set ourselves up for progress, such that when an opportunity comes, it will make us prepared and not unprepared. If what I'm saying makes sense to you, please let me know in the comment section. Just type something that will make me know that what I'm saying resonates with you. I don't know if I'm looking a bit awkward. I really don't know, because this is my first time using a microphone and I'm trying to, it feels awkward just holding something close to my mouth, but we will get better with time. Thank you again for the person that gave me this as a birthday gift. I really appreciate it. Okay, moving on to how we can increase our income. You can also increase your income by monetizing a skill. So if you have a skill that it probably comes natural to you, it might not even come natural to you, to be honest, but it's just something you are good at. And do not trivialize any skill that you have and say, is it not cornrows I can make? No, some people are making millions. So don't trivialize your skill, right? Like, if you have the time to, do something else by the side, not everyone has to do something else by the side. That is actually okay. But if you really need to increase your income, right? If it's something that is really needed to help you financially and you can sacrifice the time for it, monetize a skill. Right now, especially with the way the world is going, if you're a good writer, there's content writing, and a lot of these things can be done remotely or at your convenience, right? Maybe you're a sweet talker. you could turn that into having like a sales job by the side. I'm just saying that whatever the skill is, if you're a good cook, you can use that skill or use that ability that you have to gain extra income. For anyone that's watching this video that has an extra skill and you're wondering, okay, I'm good at creating PowerPoints. How do I monetize this? I'm good at doing this. There are some platforms where, you can advertise almost free of charge or pay just a little, and there are people looking for your service. So for instance, there is a platform called Fiverr. I'll write it on the screen. Fiverr. Fiverr. Yeah, almost anything you're looking for, you might find someone there, especially in the creative space. If you're looking for a video editor, there are many there. If you're looking for someone to create a pitch deck for you, there are many there. So if these are any of the things you can offer as a service, you can register on Fiverr, for instance, and gain customers there. Fiverr isn't restricted to a geographical location, so wherever you are, you can advertise your service on Fiverr, showing samples of what you've done. Also, because you're doing this as a side hustle doesn't mean you should not give it attention. Try and make it professional, try and make it stand out as well, because using a platform like Fiverr, for an example, you see on Fiverr that there are a lot of competitors, but that shouldn't stop you. Just put samples of your work and things that will make your work stand out and be professional about it. When you tell a client you deliver in 5 days, try to deliver in 5 days. That way they will give you reviews and, more people would come your way. Remember to pay your tithe, Sha. Remember me when you start increasing your income, but that's on a lighter note. Absolutely on a lighter note. So moving on from ways we can make more money, but just to quickly summarize, we can make more money by upskilling. We can also make more money by monetizing a skill. I've spoken now about how we can make more money. There are a lot of ways. Please, if you know other ways, put it down in the comment section below. Let's all learn, ideas on how someone can make more money. Moving on to reduction of expenses, reduction of our expenses. Generally, every one of us have things that we need and things that we want. So from time to time, we should go over our needs and our wants and ask ourselves, am I just wasting money? Not wasting money, or this thing I'm spending money on right now, do I absolutely need it right now? Or is this something that can wait for another time? Or is this something that I just feel like having? Of course, there are times where we can indulge ourselves. I love indulging myself from time to time, but there should be a balance between indulging ourselves and overspending. So we should look at if you're really keen on saving more this year. This is if you're keen on saving more this year. Take a look at your needs, take a look at your wants, take a look at your recurring expense and ask yourself, do I really need all these things right now? For those of us in the part of the world where credit is normal, I would say that we should pay attention to credit, because while it is very good and can be leveraged to cause some form of financial comfort, it can also lead us blindly into an unending hole sometimes. How do I mean? Sometimes we definitely do need credit, we need credit. If you're able to maximize credit very well, you can even take hold of the credit that is available to us to make more money, if you get what I mean, which makes so much sense. But right now, the way the world of credit is going, if you're not disciplined, it can just, you don't find out that you're in a lot of debts, and not the wise kind of debts, that is going to yield any return. Just a rubbish hole of debt. For instance, on some e-commerce stores right now, you will notice that if you want to buy, I'm holding a book, for instance. If I want to buy this book, on some stores right now, they will say, oh, you can pay small. And if this book is $10, they'll say, oh, don't worry, you can pay small. That's break it down, you'll be paying $2. And before you know, you'd have accumulated a lot of debt in the name of pay small, right? Because you say, this chair is fine, it might just add some color. You don't really need it. But because you say, don't worry, pay small, be paying it for $5. When you buy 10 of those type of things, before you know, the amount you're paying small, little drops of water, it has become a big ocean. So I'll just say we should pay attention to that. and we should try to use debt for our good. Like, because we have access to such credit facilities, it's good. It could be a way to ease some financial burdens off us, like immediately, but still we shouldn't get too used to it and use it as an opportunity to make wrong and poor choices. I don't know if what I'm saying, if you can get it, if you get it, if you understand what I'm trying to say, please put it down in the comment section below. And those are the points I will touch on today. Please remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe and share this video so that not only you would save more, others around you would save more this year, okay? I have other videos lined up. You don't want to miss it. So remember to share the good news of this channel. Thank you so much and have a beautiful week. Bye for now. Bye.